there. Here we are with our patient Al. So what we did is we went through and completely, filled in the hairline, softened it up wherever we saw necessary. Completely natural, blends in all the way. And he had a previous surgery down here, so he has 2 separate scars. Our suture line is up here.
Do it.
Do it.
And with Dr. Bolton, he's the man. More so looking at myself in the mirror, just more confident.
More
for
confident.
Sure. It's nice that when I'm taking off my helmet from biking or whatever, I'm not worried about putting a hat on right away or whatever. So yeah.
All right. Well, congratulations.
Thank you.
I really appreciate you doing the video for us.
You did.
Congrats.
Thank you.
Thank you.